Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand the process of downloading the JDK and installing the JDK. Alright, now definitely JDK is a pre-required software in order to code with Java, and this is a free software, so this is good. Simply Google for download JDK and the first search result would be by oracle.com. Click on the first search result and this will give you a downloads page of JDK. And now in here, if we check, there are like multiple versions of JDK available. The current version is JDK 11 and there are like some compatibility issues which I have seen. So we will navigate and go for the second stable build, which is Java SE 8 update 191. Alright, now friends, when it comes to this section of the page, there are three download buttons: JDK, Server JRE and JRE. We will go with the complete version, which is Java Development Kit, because we need it for development purposes. And once we click on the download button, here is the page which will be in front of us, right? So there are like multiple versions in here, and we will navigate and download the Java SE Development Kit 8 update 191. We will accept the license agreement, and here is the thing, there are like multiple flavors of Java SE JDK, and in here we can easily make out that we have download link for Linux version of JDK. We also have the Solaris version of JDK, Mac version of JDK, Windows version of JDK. Now based on your requirement, you can download the appropriate flavor of JDK. In our case, the version is Windows. Now friends, if the operating system you are using is not a Windows based operating system, then the process of installing the software, installing the JDK package would be little different. Definitely it would be little different. Now in order to understand the installation process, you can simply navigate to YouTube and search for the installation process for your operating system specifically. Now in our case, we will definitely navigate and download the Windows based operating system, and I will also show you how to install JDK on a Windows based operating system. So let me click on this link and the download will start. And if I show you the downloads page, I have already downloaded the JDK. So let me cancel this download and let me open up the downloads page, and let me open the downloads folder, and let me double click on this setup JDK setup, and we will continue with the installation process. Now when it comes to JDK, the installation process would be standard, and even if your operating system is a non-Windows based operating system, the download and installation process is definitely the standard procedure, nothing too fancy. Again, if you have any confusion and if the operating system is a non-Windows based operating system, simply navigate to YouTube and search for appropriate videos which will help you. Alright, so let us quickly install JDK on our operating system, which is Windows 10 64-bit. Alright, so this will take a couple of seconds. Let me fast forward the entire process a little. Alright, so now let me click on next. The default destination folder is good enough for me, and now Java is getting installed on our Windows system. Again, this will take a couple of seconds. Alright, so finally Java Development Kit is successfully installed on our operating system, which is amazing. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very quick, sweet and simple video where we have checked how to download and how to install JDK. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.